Hey guys, in this video I just want to feature the best way to watch movies online for free. Now a lot of people use these putlocker sites or whatever, but if you have a Chromecast, or even if you don't have it, just watch it on your phone, the best way, for me at least, is just to use Showbox. It's a free app, it works really well. Right now I'm playing Deadpool 2 over here. You can get it from showbox.global. I'll leave a link in the description. But it's probably the easiest way to watch movies. I'd say it's even easier than Netflix. Plus it's free, so it's really no question about it. Now I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to install that and then how to stream it to your TV using either the Chromecast or the Apple TV. Now, as you can see guys, I already have Showbox installed. All you got to do is go to the website, showbox.global. Click continue. It will detect whatever. I'm on Android, so it's the Android version. If you go into iOS, it will do that. It's very simple to download. All you gotta do is download 2 sponsored apps, and that's all for you there. Once you have it installed, you also want to get Allcast. What Allcast does, it allows you to stream whatever you're playing on Showbox onto your Chromecast or your Apple TV here. So let's see. If you go into Showbox, now I'm playing, let's see, that's the Deadpool playing there, just a second. So once you have Allcast installed, for Allcast, you just get it from the Play Store, it's right there, download it, it's free. Go back onto Showbox once it's all there, and settings, and then you have to change your default player here. Usually it's set on VLC, I believe. You want to click on Other Player. From then on, you can just go straight onto movies, choose whatever you want to play. So I'm going to continue watching Deadpool over here. Click Watch Now. Now, usually, this will ask which app you want to play the video with if you clicked Other Player. Because it doesn't say, you didn't select VLC or whatever. So just click on Allcast once it comes up here. And then when you click on Allcast, you can either choose your Apple TV or your Chromecast. So I'm going to go ahead and play that back on the Chromecast again. And I'll switch the camera around so you can see that the movie's playing again there. There you go. It's now playing on my Chromecast. Full HD, no buffering whatsoever. I always play around. I used to actually use something else. I used to use Solar Movie and Putlocker and all that stuff. But I don't know. A lot of the links were broken. It would buffer a lot. It just wasn't good. For some reason, Showbox just works perfect, as if it was like a paid service, you know? So I would highly recommend Showbox. So for me, this is the best way to watch movies for free. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you have any questions. Thank you, guys.